Now where are you going?
Scaling to new heights. Beaufort Elementary School has a new adaptive traverse climbing wall. The wall is unique and is designed to engage all students.
This wall is special because it's adaptive. A lot of climbing walls that you'll see only have the rock style pieces. But what makes this one great is students could grab a handle for more safety and security to help them with their balance and stability, as well as stand on a ledge as opposed to just the rocks.
The wall is a great tool for building physical fitness, teamwork, and critical thinking skills.
The wall helps to build strength in students' arms and legs, and it's also a great tool for problem solving. There was one class where I had the students only touch pieces of the wall that were yellow, and so they had to think about that. Other than their feet, they had to think about how they were going to get across the wall without touching anything red or anything green.
This adaptive climbing wall features various routes to challenge the students.
I have a few more weeks in my master's program for adapted PE, and I've learned how important it is to be able to engage all students in all different ways, and a wall like this accomplishes that very well.
The students are having fun as they climb and cheer each other on.
I love the wall. It's so fun.
I love to climb the wall. This would have been so much fun. It's so high.
I like the wall.
The PE teacher, as well as other staff members, are assisting the students as they navigate the wall.
I love to see their confidence. That's what I think has been the most wonderful thing about this wall is students might look at it and it looks big at first and they think, oh, I don't know if I can do that. And then they try and it's just amazing to see their confidence and their own delight at, oh, wow, I can do this.
The adaptive traverse climbing wall is located in the school's gym. At Beaufort Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
You know? You gotta figure it out. Look at you.